Because of course, any idea what an Indonesian dish is, or you have an example of what an Indonesian dish might be?
Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng. O, sakto. Nagtumpak yung mami kasi our first dish is actually nasi goreng, but of course we'll be using our Bano sweet soy sauce to achieve that change or to add that Asian flavor, that Indonesian flavor to our dish.
Lagi natin narinig yung nasi goreng. Ano ibig
Nasi
sabihin
goreng.
ng nasi goreng?
Actually,
Fried
you know,
rice.
translating nasi goreng in English is
Fried
fried rice.
rice.
Fried rice.
Fried rice, yeah. And it's a classic Indonesian dish na hinahaluan natin ng protina. So may protein siya, may meat siya, and then meron din siyang egg on the side. So yun, gagawa tayo ng egg, gagawa rin tayo ng protein. Pero i-elevate natin yung protein. May dito niyan mamaya. So, gawin natin yung egg. Medyo malambot. Once this, much right. Yan. Okay. Look at our eggs. Nagawa lang tayo ng scrambled egg. But, you know, this dish, you can actually have it for breakfast, for lunch, or for dinner. It doesn't necessarily mean that if you have eggs on the dish, eh, kailangan breakfast item na kagad siya. So, any time of the day, you can actually have nasi goreng.
Yes. Kahit merienda, lalaki.
Or merienda, pwede.
Oo.
Alright, so, we're scrambling our eggs. Make sure you add a bit of salt, so always season. Okay, so we'll just swirl our egg. And now, the goal is basically to make our eggs a bit more on the thin side.
Okay.
Para later kasi hiwain natin siya to make strips.
Yes.
Para maganda din yung ating plating.
Grabe. Ako pag nagdito lang, ganun lang eh.
Nandun na lahat, di ba?
Oo.
Well, ito, you know, again, dun sa mga dishes na niluto natin yan, sobrang dali and sobrang easy niyang gawin sa mga bahay ninyo, no?
Yes.
All you need to do is to actually just have your egg toasted. But
So for this one,
not so much. Actually, it's best to not cook it that much para yung creaminess ng egg will actually help yun sa spiciness at sweetness and saltiness ng nasi goreng. Yan. So, lagay na natin siya on the side. Yan. Okay. Alright. So, now that we have our egg on the side cooling down, pwede na rin natin gawin yung ating protein. So, for this afternoon, usually nasi goreng, we mix it with chicken or something else. Pero ngayon, gagamitin natin yung ating prawns.
Okay. Seafood tayo.
Yeah, seafood tayo.
Yeah.
Now, you know, all the ingredients that we're actually using right now,
So, gaano katagal talaga niluto yan? Once ba nag-color na siya or change color?
pag nag-color na siya, ang goal natin now is to actually create brownness in sa shrimp, pero konti lang. Make sure that we don't overcook it and we'll actually need to
Kasi
let it
it's
happen.
peeled na, right?
Yes, yes.
Does it affect if the shrimp, yung may skin pa,
Yung
and
may
then
skin.
na-overcook mo, mahirap na ma-peel?
Actually, yes, didikit siya.
Oh,
Didikit yung meat ng sa
Kaya overcook, malalaman mo overcook yun kasi mahirap na i-peel, right?
Yep.
Okay, so since it's peeled already, pwede natin yung ma-achieve.
Oh, grabe yung smell, no? You know, if you're cooking shrimps the right way, yung smell niyan, it will fill the whole house. No? So you're actually doing the right job. If yung
Yes.
amoy mo
For sure, babangon yung mga natutulog sa bahay.
ready.
Dito sa may demo din yung samurai. Oo.
Clean bowl. Magpapakita ko rin sa inyo, no? I mean, we're just using one pan.
For everything, one pan
everything,
lang.
just one pan
Depende
tayo.
gusto mo.
Tayo sa
Nakapagod maghugas.
Ay, definitely.
Diba?
Alam mo, buong umaga ka na nagluluto.
Correct. Bawal magluto ang mga chef, makapas ka daw, diba?
Okay. So, di ba? Gusto na yung ating shrimps, pwede na natin gawin yung ating fried rice, yung base ng ating dish. Okay.
So any rice would do.
Yeah, any rice will do, but what we're using right now is day-old rice, so it's a bit cool
Yes.
already. Para mas
Mas
masarap yung
okay.
sana.
Kasi grabe naman po yung fried rice with babo.
Flavors out of it.
Konting mag-caramelize lang, no?
Kunin mo natin
Saan ang
yung
bayad?
ating
College.
rice.
Okay.
Proud na proud siya.
Para sa akin, pwede na siya.
Ay, definitely.
Sobrang dami. Kinakapan ako.
Mukbang ka.
No leftover pa dapat dito. Next
Then,
is,
we'll be adding our sriracha. Pwede, for a traditional Indonesian dish, we can actually add sambal. Pero ngayon, sriracha tayo. This is our version.
what's that po?
Sambal.
Ano naman yun?
So that's it's a combination of chilies, garlic, onions, ginger. Medyo, may pagka-inisip mo na yun, parang pagod ka na. Ayaw mo nang lutuin, di ba? So ito, free rock siya. Depende dun sa spiciness.
Yes.
So, sasangay na natin siya.
So, yung sriracha yung nagbibigay ng color.
But actually, all the flavor, or most of the flavor will actually come from our Bango sweet soy sauce.
Okay, excited ako siya.
Bango sweet soy sauce is a combination of sweetness and saltiness. And alam mo naman mga Pinoy, pagka sweet and salty,
Correct.
yan ang gusto nila, diba?
Correct. Next.
Para tayo nag-workout.
Correct.
Okay, and then of course, lastly, dagdag na natin yung ating Bango sweet soy sauce. So that is our Bango sweet soy sauce. In Indonesia, it's actually called ketchup mayonnaise, that is a traditional name. Bango sweet sauce. I think, so it's now available sa ating Shopwise. Recently na, they launched it. And you know, it's that easy. When you add it to your rice or to any dish for that matter, it actually transforms the flavor and makes it into an Indonesian. It adds that Indonesian flair to it.
You don't need to travel to Indonesia to taste that.
So,
Hindi pa
pwede yan, para matanggalan yung anghang.
So, for this one, parang for color lang siya. Saka konting kick ng spice.
Yes.
Since nabawasan na yung spiciness, it's eating the
Just
food.
mix it up. Yan. And I think we're ready to taste it.
Wow! Ganun lang. So, I think,
Ayun, napinunasan niya.
Sure, pwede na gawin yan, di ba?
Actually, kahit sino man dito, kaya-kaya nyo po yan. Sir, ikaw ba kaya?
Kasi nakita ni Chef Lynn na medyo mahina na mababa na yung energy eh.
And so we'll season it with a bit of salt. Para syempre, di ba, there's the sweetness of the Bango sweet soy sauce.
Yes.
Then we
Sobrang
add a bit
ganda
more
ng
salt.
color din.
And mix it up. Ay, thank you. Maraming salamat. Visit nyo sila doon sa ano, diba? Ang sweet talaga ng mga tao from the North group there. Thank you so much.
Be sure to
Ayaw
visit
nila
your-
nagkirapan ako eh.
Correct.
Thank you, thank
Si
you.
Sir din kanina nahihiya lang, pero gusto ko
Okay.
lang muna sa pawis ko kanina.
Okay, so we're ready to hit.
Sorry, hindi ko natanong kanina, Chef. How many minutes usually prepare ko mo?
So, it took us about... Kailangan natin.
Siguro dapat nagtimbang ka before ka sumarating
Okay,
na siya.
parang workout to. Parang workout.
Okay, so yung egg, excited ako
Next
sa
na
egg.
natin.
Oh yeah, kapat mo nga pala
We'll just
siya.
have to finish this dish. So,
May tawag ba sa ganyang pot pag egg? Di ba kasi gulay, Juliet? Strips na. Okay, strips.
Okay. Alright, alright.
Very appetizing. Ang bako.
And then, lagyan na rin natin ng konting cucumber. Ayan. And then let's top it off with a bit of our spring onion leaves. Ano? Gutom na ba kayo? Gusto nyo ba
Yes!
kumain?
Yes!
Okay.
Hindi mo ba narinig
For sure,
yung siya?
yung samples walang pawis ko yun. For sure. Kung may iniisip nyo.
So yung makalaga siya, okay lang kung may pawis mo. Sige na nga.
Okay, so this is our, there you go, this is our,
Chef, the first dish yan.
Ay, wow,
Ang
thank
next
you.
is boring fried rice. So 10
ito na
minutes
sa'yo.
yun. Yung next dish mo, Chef, ilang minutes?
Actually,
Pasok na pasok si Tay. Gusto ko na si Chef na guest. Very ano siya.
transform your meat into a teriyaki dish.
Ito yung lagi go-to flavor if you're eating somewhere
yes.
Japanese. Diba pag nakita tayo, ang dami gagawin. Tapos pag may nakita tayo, teriyaki, oh, yan na yung flavor ko.
Yeah.
Yes.
Gusto ko gumawa ng teriyaki. So, meron kang chicken, naglagay ka ng sauce niya. Teriyaki na yan.
Oh.
Usually, if you're gonna make teriyaki, nakagawa ka na ba ng teriyaki?
Ito, today pa lang.
So, sobrang dami ng kailangan ng gagawin.
Ito, ready na.
Yes,
With
yeah.
more.
So, lagay natin sa ziplock, tapos imasahin natin. Ayan. Saan tayo magaling eh?
Mas
Ayun, nilagyan siya ng pan.
Depends sa pagkabasage. Correct.
Okay.
So usually, gano'n ka na ba nagmamanage?
Okay. So, ideally, you marinate your meat for about 15 minutes para manuot yung lasa dun sa chicken. And actually, it helps make, keep the chicken juicy.
Ano naman yung parang pinaka-late, pinaka-longest na? Like overnight pa ba?
Overnight, pwede.
Okay.
Pero, you know, you take that long to marinate our chicken. For Nor teriyaki sauce, you just need about 15 minutes maglalasa na siya. Kasi yung Nor teriyaki sauce natin, kung titikman niyo siya as is, it has a combination of different flavors. So medyo what you just need to do, just put the chicken on the grill, and then iwanan mo na siya. Usually kasi tayo, naiinip tayo, galaw tayo ng galaw, di ba? Parang iikot tayo ng ikot. What that does is we don't get those real marks. So ang gagawin lang natin,
Ayun si Tito.
Pero kasi iwan na din.
sorry.
Kailangan pala ako. Babantayan pala.
Babantayan.
Dapat clear siya.
Sorry.
Pasunuin ako eh. Mabalik na ako dito.
Ayan.
Yung mic.
Okay. Yeah. So, you don't have to actually flip it too much kasi what will happen is yung juices ng chicken, it will go out. You won't achieve the marks ng grill. Okay.
Ayun yung kailangan pala natin ma-achieve, no?
Yes, the real marks.
Yes, okay.
Okay. So while that is cooking on the side, we can now make our noodles. Now, papakita ko rin sa inyo how versatile our Nor Japanese style teriyaki sauce is kasi hindi lang natin siya ginamit for our marination ng protein or ng chicken. We will actually use it to season and flavor our noodles. Okay, so ang noodles na gagamitin natin today is our first step na, what I did with that, binabad ko lang siya sa boiling water for 10 minutes. So para kang gumagawa lang ng instant noodles, so get boiling water for 10 minutes, and then strain mo na siya, and then toss it in sesame oil. So yun yung ginawa ko para hindi magdikit-dikit yung noodles.
Kailangan talaga sesame oil.
Sesame oil para
Kasi
mabango.
yung
Yes.
aroma, rather.
Yep. Okay, so na-preheat na natin yung garlic. Garlic. And
Garlic and
some shiitake mushrooms. So, dinilisan natin yung shiitake mushrooms para lumabas yung bango ng mushrooms. Isang pro tip yan. So, if you have any mushrooms in your dish, it's best to actually saute it. So, you can add more.
meron pa siyang like parang lansa, sea mushroom.
Wala naman
Wala
to.
naman.
So, this is dried shiitake mushrooms that we rehydrated.
Okay.
So,
Super bango.
diba? Sobrang bango, diba?
I love this
Sobrang
one.
bango. Okay. Then we
Naamoy
get
ko
our,
kasi may electric pan na eh. Naamoy ko.
our carrots. Just saute it. Put more oil. Parang pwede pa.
Pwede pa.
Ano? Konti pa.
Hindi ko gagawin para hindi magulo yung ano mo.
Okay. And then next.
Baka mawala
lagyan-
ko ng mga bago siya.
Then, I have wait. Kaya yan.
What's that, Chef?
Then we added our spinach. So spinach leaves. Yeah. So just saute it quickly. Okay. So just saute it.
Actually, mga ingredients mo dito, meron din siya Shopwise.
Actually, lahat nasa Shopwise.
Yes. Oo.
So, kunyari, gusto nyo medyo natakam kayo, nagpipigil sa food samples natin, baba lang kayo. Punta kayo dun sa sauce section, condiment section ng Shopwise. Hanapin rin yung bango, sweet soy sauce.
Yes.
Yung Nor Japanese style. Alam mo yun? Hindi ba?
Maganda yun.
Okay. Cool. So while that is cooking, let's continue with our noodles. So kunin natin yung ating glass noodles. So actually this one, you can cook it in advance. Keep it in your refrigerator. It won't stick. And then you can just saute it.
Familiar ka ba, Chef, sa calorie counter?
Hi, sorry. Hindi tayo.
Inisip ko
Basta
lang.
masarap.
Basta masarap, no?
Sino ba?
Ano naman?
Ano tayo eh?
Huwag ka magkano lang, Chef. Sobrang bago ng chicken.
Diba? Sobra, diba?
Kasi kung if you do it from scratch, sobrang yung titiplayin mo ba eh?
Yeah.
Eto, ang bango. Like, hindi mo
Nandiyan na lahat ng flavor, di ba? Nandiyan na lahat.
Congratulations!
Congratulations po sa inyo dyan. Sana nanakapay nilang Nor Teriyaki. So, kung hindi, balik nyo. Request kayo Nor Teriyaki sauce.
Parang may Olympics doon sa gilid
Diba?
natin eh.
Oo nga eh.
Pero yung mga shoppers natin, very ano sila.
So,
Actually,
yeah.
hindi siya nalalayo sa chapchae.
No, actually, yeah.
Yung speaking mo yung mga ingredients ng flavor.
Okay. Now, you can even get more. Kunyari, ako, I feel like I want more flavor or more color to it. I can just, pop it open, add a bit more. And check ko yan with the color, and if I feel and I taste it, and it's okay.
Kasi lahat lang siya.
Yeah, sakto yan.
Sakto lang to. Ito.
Ikaw naman kakain nito eh.
Hindi, ito na may galit
Ayan.
lang dito. Yung iba,
Yung image ko na lang. Yan ang secret. Kunin na natin yung ating noodles, diba? Oh, imagine that. Okay. Let's go. Next time noodles.
meron bang tip para ma-check siya kung luto na yung kahit anong noodles or pasta?
Actually, before sinalang ko siya to saute, alam kong luto na siya. So, usually you break it and then you try it yourself.
Yeah, meron akong mga narinig, may binabat sa wall. So pag bumabit daw, luto na, tama? Yung luto na daw.
Narinig ko din yan.
Diba? Parang waste of ano yun. Sayang naman isang...
Waste of noodle.
Correct.
Waste of food.
Yung iba nga sa kaysa may
Lagay natin yung
pagkakabis.
ating vegetables.
Up.
On top. Yan. Okay. Lahat lang natin ng konti. Because, lagay na natin siya on the side. Ayan.
It's a time. It's a time.
Ano, it's actually okay. It's actually okay.
Kasi usually yung skin naman talaga, chef, di ba ano?
Actually, mas masarap if meron talagang coloration.
Actually,
Kasi,
sa mga halina ganyan, like for example, yung mga inasal, mas gusto ko yun. Yung
balik na rin mo lang.
Oh, yeah. So,
Okay.
nandun yung flavor eh.
Yes. Okay, so, i-prepare na natin yung ating chicken.
Okay.
Usually, if you're cooking, ideally, you make it rest the same amount of time na niluluto siya. Pero since medyo, you know, 3 recipes tayo and
Yes.
ako medyo,
Tagal talaga tayo.
medyo, kung kakainin naman ka, pwede niya. Nakapag-gutom.
Saktong-sakto for ano, I think early dinner.
Ready na ho ba kayong tikman?
Yes!
So, while we're plating this,
Yes, ready na kayo?
Yes!
Isang
Okay,
malakas na
so-
dyan, Shop Boys Shop!
Wow!
Yun! Medyo, since it's the first dish ko kanina, lumalakas na. So right now, our friends from Nor will be serving our...
Okay. Wow, tsura pa lang.
Grabe, kung ganito ka-generous yung kakainan mo, di ba? Babalik at babalikan mo talaga.
Okay.
Kaya it's better to cook at home, no?
Hoy,
Generous eh.
definitely.
Ikaw bahala eh. Gano'n ka dapat chicken, vegetables, yung sauce, hindi tinipid. Kasi it's very easy with Nor.
Yep. Ayan, so garnish na lang natin na
Okay, send it to me.
medyo, ito ang medyo intense. Marami tayong components na gagawin.
Kinakabahan ako baka may utos ko lang, chef.
Wala.
Ang ginawa sa lahat yung pagkasin ko.
Ako na ito.
Sige, cheer ko lang kita.
Hindi na kita stress.
Fighting!
Pero sa inyo ba, meron ba sa inyong gustong tumulong sa akin?
Oh, baka
Parang wala
hindi
eh.
ko dito.
Parang ayaw niyo.
Na ano na ako ni chef eh. Fired. Fired na daw.
So basically, we have 3 components. Ano, our beef bulgogi, our stuffing, na vegetables, and then our rice, and then yung ating wrapper, na tortilla wrapper. Pero dito natin makita how versatile our North Korean style barbecue sauce is. So what we'll basically be doing is we'll marinate our beef. This is sukiyaki style beef. And then
The Korean style barbecue sauce.
And then, i-marinate natin siya with our North Korean style barbecue sauce. So basically, what this does is it transforms any meat or beef bulgogi. So kung gusto niyo magsamgyup sa bahay,
Ang galing.
gusto lang yun.
Kasi right now, I think most of the household have their own, ano yun, yung part utensil,
Yeah.
tapos more na lang sila ng meat, and then sila na bahala ng mag-arrange ng flavor yung gusto nila.
So yeah, actually, you can use it for pork, you can use it for chicken, you can use it for beef. For this afternoon, we'll be using beef naman. Yeah. instantly, again,
Thin sliced.
okay, so while that is marinating on the side, gawin na natin yung ating stuffing. Okay, so we'll get our eggs. Walang matigas na.
Basta huwag lang sa nako-motion. Kasi usually ganun, di ba? Mga Korean eh. Hindi sila nag-smack ng egg.
Okay.
Okay.
Ayan. So, we just whisk it a bit. Alright. And then pour this a bit. And then, of course, again, as with anything that you're cooking, let's season it.
Ako gusto ko yung scrambled egg na lagyan ko ng pepper.
Ah, yeah. Perfect na naman yan. So, i-whisk lang natin. Now, again, preheat your pan. Preheating the pan will actually help you para hindi tumikit yung luto. And now we're ready. Okay, so we'll just be making soft scramble. So soft scramble, for those na curious kung paano gumawa ng soft scramble, you just need to have a hot pan, continuously swirl it. Continuously swirl it on the pan. And then
Eh, usually sinaserve sa
mix,
mga
mix.
hotel buffet.
Yes.
Buffet.
Or na nilalagyan ng
So,
crab fresh.
mix lang natin.
Gordon
Okay,
Ramsay.
and I think this is about ready. Next is, of course, our vegetables. Okay, so on the same pan, preheat lang natin ulit. Alam mo, hindi ka pinagpapawisan kasi
Very
maraming salamat, Shopwise. That's electric pan. Pinapahit mo.
Yes,
Kanina lang nila yan sa
Oo nga eh. Sarap na tuloy magluto dito. Okay, so while that is preheating, so pwede na tayo mag-saute. So let's start it off with so this is mushrooms. Again, shiitake mushrooms. And then garlic. And so yung pamunong garlic, pag-inisa mo with the mushrooms. And it adds more flavor and more taste to it. So it adds. Yan, so isa lang natin. And then, lagay tayo ng carrots. And then, zucchini. Okay, so medyo maraming gulay. So like, if you guys wanna influence your kids to eat vegetables, this is one of the perfect dishes to introduce them.
Correct. Dahil lang ngayon puro mga mabilisan na lang mga pagluluto ngayon.
Oh, man. Pero look at this. So, it's been what? 30 minutes?
Yes,
30 minutes, meron na tayong dalawang dish na nagawa. And we're off to our third dish. So, feel ko parang 10 minutes tapos na tayo.
Yes, feeling ko din, chef. Ang bilis magluto ni chef eh.
Pero again, you don't need to be a chef to actually cook this.
Yes.
Yun ang,
Oh, I'll practice that.
Practice mo to.
Next grocery ko, nasa list ko na to. Nor Japanese style teriyaki sauce, nor Korean style barbecue sauce, and ito, bangos, sweet soy sauce. Perfect yan sa mga pang-marinade, saute, yes.
okay. So yan, so let's make sure lang na ma-soften lang natin yung vegetables a bit. Yan. And then lagay na natin yung ating bean sprouts. Toge. So, ito yung toge na medyo kumanda na yan.
Bakit? Okay, ganun pala yun.
Medyo tumanda na yung
Soup ba yun siya? Medyo galing ko lang ako.
Yan.
Yan.
Okay. And then we'll add our, of course, season it again with some salt. Don't be afraid to season.
Anong tawag sa ginagawa mo ganun siya? Anong technique yun? May technique yun, diba? May tawag. Pinapractice ko yan, eh. Naubos yung ginagawa ko. Naubos. Practice siya. Oh.
Hindi naman, well, mas madali nangyari sa amin. So, like,
Yan, saka hindi nalulusak lalala mo daw yun ulit, diba? Kaysa nung halo ng halo.
Okay, so I think this is about ready. There's latent heat naman dun sa vegetables, which will continue to cook our vegetables. So I'll just get our clean bowl. Ayan, ng kalat. Okay. And then, lipat na natin yung ating cooked vegetables dito sa ating bowl. Alright. So we're done na with our second stuffing. Then thirdly, so
Anong next natin siya?
pwede na natin i-grill yung ating beef. Okay. So in a hot pan, first I preheated it again. Lagay na natin ng konting oil. And then, pwede na natin i-grill yung ating beef. So, yan.
Mga chips yun yung grill. Kasi
Ay,
ang nipis ko ano eh.
Ano naman to eh? We will wrap it. So, matatago siya. Yeah. So, kahit naman medyo...
Joke lang siya. Tingnan ko lang kung nakikinig ko yung mga shoppers natin. Alam mo parang, wait lang, habang niluluto ni Chef yung ating third dish, ano mo sasabi nyo sa first and second dish? Approve? Approve ba?
Masarap.
Natumba lahat ah. Oh, just a friendly reminder lang mga shoppers, be sure to play Go Eat Go, yung mga containers po natin. Thank you so much.
Okay. Yan, so let's grill that. So this one will grill quite easily kasi medyo manipis lang
Yes.
yung iwan ng ating
Oh, I remember pag nagsasamgyup kami, meron kami kinakain lang, pinagluto. Hindi, ang bilis. Like, ginagalan lang nila. Crispy talaga. Hindi pala siya okay ngayon. Kasi like, parang pinabanaan mo lang.
Yeah.
Kasi yung ng beef, saka yung tipag-ulat na siya pag super
Yes.
naluto.
Pero like if you really want to have that deep flavor to your beef, it's always good to actually have that color para yung dinamnam nung hinihaw ng beef. Or so ito, habang hilaw pa, gawin mo na para makatikim ka, makaabot sa bansa. Okay, so we'll get our cracker. So we'll be making our beef vegan burrito. So kailangan natin ng tortilla. So this is a tortilla which is again available at Shopwise.
Yes. Everything available in Shopwise.
And then let's just heat it a bit. So let's just heat it a bit. Para if you heat it a bit, it actually makes the tortilla pliable. Okay. Okay, so ready na yung ating tortilla. Now the first step, we'll get our rice. Oh, I almost forgot. We'll actually make another sauce that we can actually mix with it.
Okay,
So
what's that
we'll get
sauce?
a bit of gochujang. So this is Korean red pepper.
Yes.
Gochujang.
Laging present sa samgyups.
And then a bit of sesame oil.
Also,
And then some sugar, white sugar. Now ideally, if you have boiling water or hot water, yan ang pwede mong gamitin para mas mabilis na swallow.
yes.
And then I think our beef is about ready.
Bango.
Pwede na natin siya dito sa ating vegetables. Diyan na lang tayo kuha mamaya. Okay. Grabe ko yung amoy. Amoy na ba sa natin, diba? Alam mo, good job ka pagka ganyan yung amoy.
Correct.
Minsan kasi meron mga nagluluto. Just regular steamed rice. So, we have regular steamed rice. Parang gumagawa na.
So that time, is okay lang, like yung freshly cooked rice.
Yes. Better if you freshly cooked or warm rice. Kasi syempre,
Pero yung veggies, sticky pa.
tapos mainit, steam, then we get a bit of our sauce. Get a bit of our gochujang sauce. And mix it a bit. Yan. Okay. And then, let's get a bit more of our Korean style barbecue sauce. Para flavorful yung rice. Kaya maganda nito, kapag gagawin nyo ito sa bahay, you can actually have control over how much rice you can get.
Kung sa labas, titipid or tinipid.
Puro kanin.
Yes, correct. So, unang kanin
Kanin.
lahat. But this time, you're gonna make your own yung even burrito.
Yeah.
Talaga naman, very generous sa pwede mo lagay. With the vegetables.
With the vegetables. Okay. So nilagay na natin yung ating vegetables. And then yung beef, top natin. Yan. Okay. And then, again, kuha ulit tayo ng ating North Korean style. Okay. Alright. Now, ito na yun. This is how you basically wrap a burrito. Okay, so you get the sides of your tortilla, and push it on the side. Okay.
Kailangan mag-compress talaga.
Compress. And then, siguro buti na lang, hindi ka na pagkakakita na ito. We make our egg, right? So, of course, you have to add egg. Because,
Kasi kung wala, pwede din.
pwede meron. Pero the good thing about our egg is actually the egg itself, the creaminess of the egg itself actually adds to the dish.
So kapag pinahit mo, makita mo yung color, di ba? Yung next color.
Okay, so ready na. Take two.
Okay.
Ready na. Okay. So we'll put it on the side, which is like that. Then we get the other side of it. Yeah, and then push it down. Okay. And then use your pinky.
Okay.
Push it a bit. Compress it a bit. And natin dito. Okay. So push natin yung tortilla. And then we can hear it a little bit.
Ha?
And there you have it. We have a black burrito. Okay. Now, since we'll be slicing it, you can get your
Huwag na.
oil.
Lagay mo sa bag mo yun.
I-wrap natin siya
Okay.
properly. Okay. So, wrap na natin properly. And then, parang yung burrito. So, both sides.
Siya ka mo
Both
ihiwa.
sides. Yan. And then, so ikot lang natin. Okay. And push it. Okay. Kasi patatayuin natin ito.
Okay.
Okay. And then, this is the moment to tingnan natin. We'll slice it into two. So there's a knife. And then we'll slice it. Diagonal.
Kailangan talaga diagonal.
O, para pag-cleanate natin, tatakam okay. So, let's start plating it.
Yan.
One.
Grabe.
Alright.
Wow.
Okay.
Nice.
And then garnish it with a bit of cucumber para to help with the heat. And then a bit of kimchi.
Wow, may kimchi pa.
Para maganda rin yung plate. There you go.
Yummy.
Okay. So, ilagay lang natin. Itabi lang natin siya sa ating ibang dishes. Itabi ko lang ito dyan. And, okay. Alright, so, there you have it, guys. So, this is our beef chicken burrito with North Korean style barbecue sauce. Okay, so, I think we're all ready to
Chef Jeff, thank you so much. Alam mo, naisip ko dito, meron pa akong twist na naisip dito.
Yeah. basically, you just need to add your bango sweet soy sauce,
Yes.
our North Korean style barbecue sauce, as well as our North Japanese style teriyaki sauce.
Correct.
Okay, so sino na ba excited na lutuin ito sa bahay?
Ako!
Meron? Meron? Alright. So, yeah, again, just visit Shopwise sa baba.